Right, second time lucky. Right, I just accidentally pressed something on the camera, and although the camera didn't turn off, it stopped filming. I don't want to touch that again. So, this is a sort of unboxing video from stuff I ordered from Minimum World. So, we got the supplies we kind of need. So we got, there you go, just the wallpaper paste that I need. Does it say that ready mixed wallpaper paste? So I think there'll be enough to do that, don't you? And then we got this stuff called aliphatic resin, which is great for sticking things together and for sticking things down with, because, you know, every time I come to open the door up on this house, some bright spark, namely Raz, has bumped into it and everything's fell over in it, which I really do not need. And then we have tacky wax. You see, that one's much bigger, isn't it, than that other one. Now, that's what I pressed before. That one, look how much bigger that is than this one. Look at it. It's tiny, that one, isn't it? So, we got that. And then, what have we got? What have we got here? Oh, yeah. Here we go. We have got this. That's varnish. Actually, I think it is, yeah. Oak varnish, which I'm going to use on things. I'm thinking the clock, at least. And then also something else. And what else have we got? We've got a new light for the kitchen. Well, we only had one in the kitchen, so I've got a new light. It's a bit different to the one I had before, but mostly it's the same, and that's how that comes. Of course, we'll have to check that it works. And then, what else? Oh, no! Everything's falling over. And then we got these stairs, you see. Now I'll show you these. I showed you the stairs before at Heathside House, but these ones are better, because these ones have got banisters on them. So look, can't even get that in the frame. Yeah, hang on, I have to move something out of the way. So yeah, these ones have got banisters on them, you see. So I need 2 flights of those stairs, because the ones that the house came with didn't have banisters on them. So I've got 2 flights of those. That's how the banisters look. Okay, they're really nice. You can buy the banisters in kit form, but I really don't want to fiddle about with it more than I have to. All this sticking things together. Okay. And then also, for the stairs, I have this stair carpet, which is a colour called Cappuccino. So, there you go. And it's got, it's sticky on the back, you peel a bit off, and you can apply this colour of stair carpet, which will go quite nicely with the other carpet that's in the house. What I couldn't get was the stair rods. They didn't have them in stock. So, I don't know, I could just stick that on the stairs, it would just stay there, I think. So, yeah. So, that's what we got from Minimum World. But also, what we got was the new doll's house, which weighs an absolute ton. and it's the same size as Heathside House, but I have to build it. It's in a kit form. I have to build it from scratch. But yeah, I'll just show you. Actually, this is part of what I've opened. I've opened the doors and the windows boxes. No, don't fall over, please. I don't want you falling over everywhere. This is what one of the windows looks like. At the front of the house, these bay windows. So this is what one of them looks like. They're quite jolly big actually. Don't keep falling over. So this is what one of the windows looks like, you see. And actually that's good because these windows open, look. It's good, isn't it? So you can let a bit of air in the house. And that's actually upside down. That's the way it goes. Yeah, so, yeah. And there's got stained glass bits to go up here, which I love. But I haven't opened the other box yet because it's so big and heavy. Oh, will you stop sliding about? Why do you have to do that? What have we got here? Oh yes, there's a sort of door thing. I don't know where this goes. I really don't. There's a door bit, look. Huge. It's a huge door bit. And all those doors open as well, by the way. So yeah. They give me PVA in there and super glue in there. I think this is the chimney stack. This massive lump of MDF. I don't know, you can't see it properly, can you? But yeah, that's what it's all about. I'm just hoping the instructions are in the other box, which I'm not in this one. And there's the railings with the top floor where the banisters are. Yes, so I have another delivery. I'll show you later in the week. I've got some more little bits and pieces for Geranium Cottage. So yeah. So see you soon, everyone. Didn't do a card today because I wasn't doing Geranium Cottage. Simple. So thanks everyone.